Hi, my name is Ezra. I'm from Singapore PSC. Today I'll be talking to you about the do's and don'ts for direct fastening GX120 and GX3. Please do not use WD-40 or any form of lubricant spray inside here or here or here. This will affect the performance of the tool and also will damage any part of the tool inside the GX or GX42. This is the magazine. Magazine is where the nails will be inserted inside. As you can see, there's lubricant and oil on the magazine. Once the lubricant and oil applied on the magazine, this will affect the performance of the tool as once nails are inserted inside. As while you're shooting inside, nails will start to jam, and this will cause a lot of damages to the magazine. So in order to maintain your magazine, there's always dust going in and very hard to see. Take a brush, try to dust off any dust that's inside here, and always to make sure to check here as if there's any nail jammed inside. If there are nail jammed inside, please do not use it again, which will damage the tool even more. So please be careful if there's any nail jam. There's also a lot of dust that will always go inside here. Try to take a brush and dust off any dust that is inside there. For the fastener guide, please watch out for any damages which is around here, this area, and this is where the nails are shoot out. If there's any damages, please do not use the fastener guide, as this will affect the performance when the piston guide is coming out.